Hi everyone, this is the 154th video of the ACT Math Practice Problem series, and here we have a nice problem from trigonometry. As I always recommend, before seeing the solution you can pause the video and give it a try yourself, and after that of course you want to match with my solution. So let's get started. Here the question says sine squared of 1 degree plus sine squared of 2 degree plus sine squared of 3 degree and so on up to sine squared of 88 degree plus sine squared of 89 degree is equal to which of the following 5 options? So here this big sum has actually 89 terms there. First term is sine squared of 1 degree, second term is sine squared of 2 degree, third term is sine squared of 3 degree, and fourth term is obviously sine squared of 4 degree, fifth term would be sine squared of 5 degree, and so on all the way up to sine squared of 89 degree. Now if you look at this, the first term has 1 degree and the last term has 89 degree, and if you think about their sum would be 90 degree, right? If you simply think about the angles, the angle in the first term and the angle in the last term, their sum would be 90 degree. And similarly, if you look at the second term and the second from the last, the sum of the angles there also again 90 degree, because 2 degree plus 88 degree, that would be 90 degree. So from here we can see that somehow there is a way to pair them, right? For example, the first term and the last term, most likely they can be paired into a nice group. Similarly, the second term and the second from the last, they also can be paired similarly, and the third term and the third from the last term, they also can be paired. Now how are you going to pair them? Well, for that we have to use the concept of trigonometric ratio of complementary angles. For example, you see 1 degree is a complementary angle of 89 degree, and similarly 2 degree is a complementary angle of 88 degree, right? So the trigonometric ratio of complementary angle, it's kind of like this: sine of 90 degree minus theta, that is equal to cosine of theta. Similarly, cosine of 90 degree minus theta would be equal to sine theta. Now let's see how we can convert sine of 89 degree into cosine of something, right? So if we say sine of 89 degree, can we write it as sine of 90 degree minus 1 degree? And that is obviously equal to cosine of 1 degree. So if we square both sides, then sine squared of 89 degree would be equal to cosine squared of 1 degree, and that's what we are going to need to simplify our expression. So now as you can see, sine squared of 89 degree can be written as cosine squared of 1 degree, and now I am going to pair them together, right? The first term and the last term. So what is the first term here? Well, here the first term is sine squared of 1 degree, so let me write that down, and the last term is sine squared of 89 degree. And if we create this pair right here, so we can say first term can remain as is sine squared of 1 degree plus the sine squared of 89 degree can be written as cosine squared of 1 degree. Now you see sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta is equal to 1. That's one of the Pythagorean identities. So now you see we have been able to convert the first term and the last term, their sum is looking like 1. So similarly, how many pairs can we form? Well, there are total 89 terms, so it's odd number of terms, and the middle term obviously will be sine squared of 45 degree, that will be the middle one. So if we keep the middle one aside, then we can create 44 such pairs, right? That would be total 88 terms, plus the middle one would be sine squared of 45 degree, and we'll evaluate that separately. So if we keep sine squared of 45 degree aside, then we can create 44 such pairs, and each pair's value will be positive 1. So if we have 44 such pairs, so let me make a note here. So we can create 44 such pairs, and each pair's value would be positive 1. So the total value of 44 pairs would be 1 times 44, that would be 44. Now apart from the 44 pairs, we also have this remaining term, which is sine squared of 45 degree. We cannot forget about it. So sine squared of 45 degree would be 1 over square root of 2 whole squared, and that is equal to 1/2, and we can write it as 0.5. So now you see the value of our expression is going to be 44 plus 0.5, that would be 44.5, and that is our answer. And if you look at our answer options, we have 44.5 under option J. So option J would be the correct option. I hope everything made sense. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.